Hey guys, so myself Jessica, and here I'm using this amazing application called Snappod AI. All you have to do is go into the browser, search Snappod AI, and the application looks something just exactly like this. And all you have to do is click on home, and then you'll see a create podcast now. And you have to click on it and look at these features, guys. This or you can see where you can do whatever podcast topic that you want to enter. These features are like so easy and so detailed. So like if you see enter your podcast topic, so that's like simply enter your topic and the Snappod AI will generate and complete the podcast script for you. And you also have the feature of language. It can be Indian English or UK English or Hindi, and there's a lot of languages that you guys can explore. And it also lets you choose how many speaker content that you want. You can just select on the number of speakers, and then the category where you have a lot of category. You can see business, tech, health, and there's a lot of things that you can explore, as well as the duration. There's like the best thing, guys, like the duration. You can choose it right from 3 minutes, that's like the least, and then 5 minutes, and then 10 minutes. And then you can also set your tone, which helps in, like be it formal, witty, empathetic, inspirational, investigative, casual, quirky, experimental. This decides uh, the length as well as the tone of your podcast. It can be formal or casual or conversational, and also you can name your host. When you can see here, let's say the topic, let the topic be street dogs. Street dog. And then I want to keep the language English Indian, and then number of speakers will be 2. I guess they only have limitation of 2 for now. And the category can be social issue, and then the duration can be 5 minutes and formal. So all you have to do is just enter the topic, and then the name, and then the name of the guest. So you'll be the host, and you can enter your guest name. It gives the best script. So if I click on the generate script, this is exactly what you'll be getting in like few minutes. It just take barely 1 or 2 minutes, guys. So where you can see here, it's so detailed. And here, let's see. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Jess, and today we are diving into the topic that close to many of our hearts, street dogs. So here are quick questions to kick things off. So this is the whole script, guys. It is for 5 minutes, which I have entered. And the crazy feature that I found was you can edit the script. If you really don't want certain lines, you can just take it off, and then you can also copy the whole content and use it and paste it wherever you want for printing and everything. So, and also there's like one great feature where you can also have the audio and voice setting where it generates the audio for the whole script. So let's see if we can click on generating audio. And one of the best features is the pop-ups, guys. It makes us wait and see what's going on. Like generating this may take about a time 2.5 minutes. So there's like one little motivation that keeps me stay in the website, and this does not take really much of a time. So generating the script or generating the audio, it doesn't take much time. It just happens at your fingers, at a snap of your fingers. So there's like the best application that I've been using from past few days. So thank you, guys. Snappod AI is a really helpful tool which takes care of one of the hardest part in podcast, which is writing the scripts. So in short, Snappod AI makes podcasting simple, fast, and accessible for everyone, whether you're starting out or already an experienced person. So thank you so much, Snappod AI, for bringing out this application for people like us who can't put so much time and effort for writing podcast scripts. So thank you.